Good evening, SaaS creators. Welcome to another Friday video. My name is Rahul VP. I'm the Chief Marketing Officer at Dashfrugal, the modern user onboarding platform built for SaaS creators. In today's video, I'm going to speak about free trial to premium conversion and how to motivate your free trial users during their free trial period. What's a software free trial? So we all are familiar. Free trial strategy emerged with a SaaS boom, where cloud-based solutions, people can directly sign up to your land at your website, can sign up for an account where they can test. So where SaaS companies need to deliver product-led growth strategies, and the user need to value-based software services. Modern software user prefer a win-to-win strategy, which means if you're delivering a value which is proposed, obviously they are able to pay, they're ready to pay for your services. How do you motivate each software users? Obviously, we know that motivation is very important. When you motivate, the user is able to convert or able to do things soon as possible. And once the user is doing things very effectively, you're able to convert the user to a premium very easily. First of all, be genuine and relevant. There is no shortcut to motivate and convert the free trial user to a premium, but there are some strategies, there are methods that SaaS creators can execute. Motivating a software user, including guiding them through your software, correcting them when they went wrong, sending them greetings and feedbacks, or collecting them feedbacks. So basically, we know that motivating a software users, starting from when you're writing the first email to the free trial users, which means they've landed to your website, they sign up for a free trial, and then logged into your account. Soon you're sending a welcome message. That could be the first step. You're sending a welcome messages to tell the user how to get started with the software, etc. So do make sure that sending your welcome email could be the first step and first and top prioritized step to motivate software users during their free trial period. So I'm just taking you through 6 proven steps to motivate a free trial user or to convert a free trial user to a premium user. So very important one. Like we all know that, but still we are trying to make, or SaaS creators are trying to make things more complicated. So as phrase state, the first impression matters a lot. Most free trial users are unfamiliar with your software. So they're keeping the things more complicated. So it's creating a lot of, unbiased with the user. So keep things simple and user friendly, will not make when you're making your interfaces more cool, super easy to use, that will not keep the user overwhelmed, but that motivate the user to do certain tasks. When you're creating a lot of buttons, lot of functions in a single screen, so the main thing is actually, like everyone, it gets confusing, and that generally say sign out from the platform, they go. So making the interfaces where the user performs certain actions is very important. If your features are easily accessible and well arranged, users will try to perform a self-service activation itself. So otherwise, you need to provide them a detailed product demo understanding that's cost a lot of time and effort. So where you need to spend. Understand your user behavior. That's the second one. So we know that sign up a free trial. We couldn't predict a free trial user should be converted to a paid user. So understanding your prospect behavior is also very important. You should learn what your users are looking even before you're offering a solution. Let's say people can redirect your website by multiple choices, like they attracted on your content, or they may be like some referrals. So the first thing we just need to understand that whether the user, or you're offering a solution where the user is actually looking to solve. So that it should match, and there could be a match between what you're offering and what the user is actually looking for. Do not hesitate to eliminate the unfit users. So the unfit users bring a lot of uncertainties. So even though some unfit users bring some initial benefits, but in the long run, it's create a lot of negative impact. The next thing is, do not limit the software features. Nobody likes the discrimination, right? So everyone wants the same thing, which, when people are looking for, let's say, and the same happen the software activations as well. Earlier, when SaaS companies offering a free trial, they intend to limit their features, because some say what they do is they intend to try to limit their software features on a free trial period, they offer a certain features, and for the paid version, they unlock everything. So when you're doing this, what happens is the user will feel a kind of a discrimination, or maybe feel like they've been rejected. So when you're offering all your software features happily to your trial users, it immensely boosts their confidence and motivate them to use your features. Gradually, that convert them to a paid user. Build a feature adoption strategy. What I mean by feature adoption strategy is, obviously you need a method like how to onboard, how to deliver product training. These all including the feature adoption. Building a feature adoption or user onboarding strategy is a very important step to convert a free trial user to a premium user. A proper user onboarding strategy helps a user to adopt the feature, easily motivate them to accomplish it. So when you are offering a solution, even though it might be a one-to-one product demonstration, or it might be a self-service user onboarding, whatever the method, be precise and make sure that you're sticking to that certain, and also you're trying to onboard the users using that methodology. The most effective strategy to drive the free user to premium offering is like a personalized demo. So personalized demo can be a one-to-one product demonstration where the sales reps are sharing their screen, explaining the features and taking the users through the product, or it might be a self-service methods as well. The next one is follow up on their progress. One best worked method of sending, obviously, the best thing to follow up with the user is sending an email based on the user account activities. So before sending a follow-up email, obviously you just need to understand that what's the account statistics. Let's say what the user is accomplished, what the user is completed, what are the pending tasks. So accordingly, you can craft your emails or follow-up methods to get in touch with that particular user. So email follow-up remind user to proceed. Let's say if the user has been stuck on a particular point and you're writing a follow-up email, that helps the user to continue where they actually left. But make sure that you're not spamming your user's inbox by sending a lot of email trails. The final one, celebrate their success. So do not hesitate to celebrate each success. Once a free trial user is reached the level of accomplishment, ready to buy your premium, obviously celebrate. Send them some emails, make them a call. And also you can use methods like some in-app notifications, in-app nudges to keep the users, when they progress, notify them, yes, they completed a certain percentage. Checklist also along with a progress bar could be a better choice to keep the user being aware about where they are actually. So when you're using this progress bar, let's notify the user where they actually been. Let's say they completed 50% of overall progress and 50% remaining. So this motivates the user to complete. Let's say if you're not showing a progress, overall level of accomplishment, overall account settings completion. So it keeps the user where they are actually and what is the pending task. So it's keeping a lot of uncertainty with the user. So when you're creating or you create a progress bar or kind of a some kind of a I would say like some notifications, keep the user. That might be you can use a checklist as well. So who else doesn't like celebrations and appreciation? Sure, your tone of love towards them and keep your users motivated for a long period. So I'm finally reaching to the final segment. So I'm just want to give you what Dashfrugal and why I'm here with this piece of video. Self-service user onboarding is what we are actually trying to offer with Dashfrugal. A self-service product demo is a modern way where the user itself demonstrates the product without help of a sales agent. So they play with the software, they play with the features, and finally they're reaching to a certain level of accomplishment when they're done with the software. So with the self-service Dashfrugal tool, we are offering guided product tour, contextual guidance, and video guided product tours, etc. And also next week, we are launching an amazing game-changing features. So 21st June 2021, we are launching a new features. Be there, and also for any, let's say, visit our website. So if you have any confusion how to get started with software, with Dashfrugal, reach out to me directly on rahul@dashfrugal.com. Visit our website www.dashfrugal.com for more information. So thank you so much for watching.